get fear in maths, you have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, now today's topic is polynomial in standard 10. You already learned it in the class 9. You know the polynomials. Just today I discuss the further idea I will give for the polynomials. Just I discuss before I start the next part of the polynomials, but next explanation of the polynomials, I just go through the chapter of class 9 polynomials. What is polynomials? An algebraic expression with positive integral power is called the polynomial. Okay, you know, all the students you know, you already learned in class 9. Now in this class I just give an idea is what is the graphical representation of polynomials and what is the relation between the roots of the polynomials and the coefficient of the polynomials. This is my discussion topic, and also the division algorithm also be in this my video. Okay, now I start the graphical representation of polynomials. The graphical representation. The graphical representation. What is the graphical representation? This is the axis. Okay, all the students know this is the x-axis, and this is y-axis. This is origin also. Now I take a polynomial y is equal to fx. The polynomial is whatever, such that any polynomial is this one is polynomial, and ax square plus bx plus c also be the polynomial. This is the linear polynomial. When the degree is 2, power is 2, then the quadratic polynomials, and when the power is 3, then this is called the cubic polynomial. This type of this I just discussed about the graphical representation of the polynomial. If I draw a polynomial like this is also be a polynomial graph, and this is like, or this is also be a polynomial. This is the another graph of the polynomial. Okay, and now this is the straight line also be a polynomial. Okay, and I also draw the another straight line also. The another straight line is, this is also be the polynomial. Okay, just like this. Now I discuss how you find the roots of the polynomial to see the graph. The first one, the first graph, the roots of the polynomial is, just you look, the graph is touch in x-axis in how many points? This is the roots of the polynomial. Understood? Now, first one, the graph is touch in how many points in the x-axis? 4 points. Then the roots of the polynomial is 4. 4 roots of this polynomial. Just you see the graph and find how many roots of the polynomial. Just you observe, this is the polynomial is y is equal to fx, the variable is x, that's why the graph is touch the x-axis in how many points? This is the roots of the polynomial. Then just touch x-axis in how many points? 1 point. Okay, the root is 1. The root of the polynomial is 1. And then the touch in how many points? 2 points. Okay. Now the root is 2. And in how many points? 1 point. The root is 1. This is the graphical representation of the polynomial. Now I discuss the another sums of this topic also. Take another example of the graphical representation of polynomial. First, the how many zeros of this graph? Non-zero, because these lines don't touch in the x-axis. The zeros mean roots. Okay, roots and zeros same. Zeros are, but roots are, root is 0. Then how many zeros are, how many roots here? In 2 zeros. Zeros and roots are same. Okay. Zeros you already know, zeros in class 9 you already learned it. Zeros are roots. This is 2. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. The roots 4. Here 1, 2 and 3. Here roots is 2. How the graph touch in how many points in the x-axis? This is the roots of the polynomial or zeros of the polynomial. Now I discuss the relation between the roots and the coefficient of the polynomials. Now I just discuss about the relationship between zeros and coefficient of the polynomials. Now I take a quadratic polynomial 2x square plus ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic polynomial. Now I just find the zeros, relationship between zeros, that means roots, and the coefficient. Then let alpha and beta be two zeros of these polynomial. Okay, these polynomial. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. Okay, then the addition of the zeros is minus b by a and the product of the zeros is c by a. A, B, C is what? A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x and C is constant. That means x to the power 0 is coefficient. Okay. Now this is the relationship between the quadratic polynomials. Two zeros and the coefficient. Now I take a cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. I take a cubic polynomial. Why the polynomial is cubic? Because the power is 3. Then the relationship between let alpha, beta, gamma, b3. Power is what? The zeros is this. Okay. Power is 3, the 0 is 3. The power is 2, the 0 is 2. The power is 1, the 0 is also 1. Okay. Now let A alpha, beta, gamma, B3 zeros of these polynomial. Okay. Polynomial. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Clear? And next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is c by a. Okay, now then alpha into beta into gamma is minus b by a. So then alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is c by a. And alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. Just you go through the next part of the video, you pause the video and write it in your copy. Example I take and I do the find the roots of the polynomials, the one process also, and another process you just find the roots of the polynomial. You can do the middle term break also. I just give an example to find how if the relation between alpha and beta is given and addition of the roots is given and product of the roots is given, how is it possible to find the roots of the equation? Just you do follow the further previous example. Now we check another question. Find the zeros of the polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Just to do the middle term break also. All the students know the middle term break. 3 4s are 12. That's why here is minus 4x plus 3x minus 4, and just you take a common x. This is 3x minus 4, and you just take a common 3x minus 4, then x plus 1 and 3x minus 4, two factors of these polynomials. Then the zeros be, then alpha is minus 1 and the beta is 4 by 3. Just you verify the relationship. The relationship is what? Alpha plus beta, that means minus 1 plus 4 by 3. This is what? This is just to 2, and this is 1 by 3. This is also b minus b by a. Here a is 3, b is minus 4, and a is 3, b is minus 1, and c is minus 4. And then b is what? Minus 1, and a is what? 3. This is then minus plus by 3. This is 1 by 3. Okay. Now just this is verified. This is verified. Okay. Now alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is what? Just to get the result, minus 1 into 4 by 3. This is just minus 4 by 3. This is c by a. Yes. C is what? Minus 4, and a is what? 3. This is also be verified. This is also be verified. When the question is arise, find the zeros of the verified, just you do like this. And the previous example which I already done, when the alpha plus beta is given, alpha into beta is also be given, then you find the roots of the polynomial, then you just follow this process also. Okay, you find alpha minus beta and then do the simultaneous equations and you get the roots of the equation. Okay, this is another process. Okay, now this one also, just you do this is okay. Then the roots is here. The roots is here. The minus, this is plus under root plus root 15, and another root is under root minus under root 15. Okay, now you just tally alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is what? Plus root 15 minus root 15. This is 0, and alpha into beta is what? Alpha into beta is what? Root 15 root 15. This is minus 15. Then here a is 1 and b is 0 and c is minus 15. Here 0 by something. This is minus b by a, verified. And alpha into beta c by a, c is minus 15. A is 1. This is also verified. This is also verified. You just do the math like this. You just find the roots by the middle term break by any process I am here, and just you put alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, then you get the result and verify also. Okay. Second, another question. Find quadratic polynomials for each of the question. Sum of roots and product of roots are given. Okay, roots are given. This is given. You just find the quadratic equation. The first one, this is sum of the zeros or roots, whatever, and this is product of the roots. The sum of the roots means b by a minus b by a, and product of the root is c by a. Okay, just you observe b is what? B is minus 1 and a is just 4. If a is here 4, then c must be 4. C must be 4. Otherwise, this is not cancelled and minus 1 you don't get. Then just you cancel and minus 1 you get. Okay. Then minus, this is C is, the B is 1, A is not C, A is 4 and C is minus 4. C is minus 4 because they 4 and 4, A is 4, A is 4 next year, B is this one is B is minus B by A, that means here B is minus 1, not 1, B is minus 1. The B is what? B is minus 1, A is what? A is 4 and C is what? C is minus 4. C is minus 4. For the balancing, you just write like this. Then you you put the values. The ax square plus bx plus c. A is what? This is 4x square. And b is what? 1 minus x. C is what? 4. This is the required quadratic polynomials. Just to understood. First I discuss again. The addition of the root is given. The product of the root is given. The product of the root is minus 1. The addition of the root is this one. Okay. Addition of the root is what? Minus b by a. And product of the root is what? C by a. The a is what? 4. B is what? Minus 1. And C is what? If A is 4, I put it here 4. And the numerator must be 4. Okay. Then the C is minus 1. Just to put it down, A square plus B plus C. Then you get the polynomials. Now, the second one, alpha plus beta is root 2 and alpha into beta is 1/3. Okay, this is minus b by a, this is c. Clear? Okay, now just to observe. Here b is what? Here a is what? That implies a is 3, c is 1. Clear? And here if a is 3, then you must multiply it. You must multiply it numerator with 3. Just to compare. Okay. Then you put the result. A is then if you sorry to say, then the quadratic polynomial. This is the one type of quadratic polynomial, and that you can find the another type of quadratic polynomial. Then the answer become constant term you take. This is the another quadratic polynomials you can find. That's why I multiplied constant term here. This is the exact answer. Okay. Now here just tally. I say A is 3, C is 1. If A is 3, you just put it 3. And if you put here for the balancing, you must multiply numerator with 3. Then B is become, that implies B is become what? B is become minus 3 by 2. And A is 3 here. B is become minus 3 by 2. Just to put the values. Then the one type of quadratic equation B, 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. If you can find another type of quadratic equation, that's why you multiplied by constant term k. This is the exact equation. Okay, here I say a quadratic equation. This is the R quadratic equation, one type of quadratic equation. And if you find a more quadratic equation, then you just write this one also. Okay, this is the R quadratic equation. The question is given R quadratic equation. This is the answer. If you get the more type of quadratic equation, then you just multiply by 2. Okay. Now roots is given. Addition of the root is given 4 and product of the root is given 1. Then this is minus b by a and this is also be the c by a. Now just you compare this one. B is -4, C is 1, A is 1. Just to compare this one. B is -4, C is 1 and A is 1. Here is nothing means 1. Nothing means 1. Then you just find our quadratic polynomial is x square minus plus bx, that means here 4 minus 4x plus 1. This is the quadratic equation, quadratic equation. If you find the more quadratic equation, just to multiply it by k also. Okay, the question is here R. That's why this is the answer. If the question is find more quadratic equation, then just multiply k. Okay. Here is B is -4, C is 1 and A is also give 1. Then ax square, that means x square, bx plus bx, that means -4x plus c is 1. I already said the quadratic polynomial is x square plus bx plus c. Just you compare this one and you just get the result also. I think all the students understood the relation between the coefficient of the quadratic polynomials with the roots of the quadratic polynomials. Now we discuss at the next topic. This is the division algorithm. Now we discuss about the division algorithm. All the students know the division algorithm. I already discussed in the previous class. In the first chapter, the division algorithm. Find the HCF by the division algorithm. Okay. This is the division algorithm is when the px is the dividend, then qx into gx is plus rx, where qx is the quotient, gx is the divisor and rx is the remainder and px is dividend. This is the division algorithm. All of you know. There is a given polynomial px. If you divide it by another polynomial gx, then you get a polynomial qx and the remainder also rx. This is the division algorithm. Okay. Now you by the division algorithm, you just find the quotient and the remainder and the given polynomial is here and divided by this is the other polynomial gx. This is px and this is also px and this is gx. Just to find. Okay. Now I do the division here. X plus 2 is the dividend and the quotient is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Just you multiply it by 2x. Then 2x into x, 2x square. Then 2x into 2, this is 4x. 2 2s are 4 into x. Then you cut it here and you get minus x plus 1. If you multiply by again minus 1, then is what? Then this is minus x and minus 2. Then this is 0 and this is 3. The quotient is 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 3. This is the quotient and the remainder of this division. Now I discuss find the zeros of the polynomial. If we know that two zeros are these and these. Acha, all of you just tell me how many zeros of these polynomials? How do you find? Because the power is 4, that means 0 must be 4. Now, 2 zeros are given. Then you find another 2 zeros. How is it possible to do? Then 2 zeros is given. That means this is and this is are the two factors of the zeros. Then if you multiply this one, then this becomes x square minus root 2 square, a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. That means x square minus 2. Now you divide by the division algorithm. X square minus 2 by this one 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. then you get the another roots. Okay, just to do the division. You do by 2x to x square, that means 2x to the power 4, then minus 4x, then this is 2 to the 4x square, you not put here also. This is minus 2 to the 4x square, and then you do the subtraction. This is comes down minus 3x cube, and here is x square plus 6x minus 2. Now you again do this 3x, that means minus 3x cube, then minus minus plus, then minus minus not put here also, then minus minus plus here also, plus 6x, then these are cut, and x square minus 2, and you just do by 1, then this is cut and the remainder become 0. The remainder becomes 0. This is the another factor of this polynomial. Just to do the by the division algorithm, then you get the middle term break, then you get the another zeros. The middle term break is this one, and then 2x minus x plus 1, then 2x is common, x minus 1, then minus 1 common, x minus 1, then 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. Then the another zeros be, another zeros are, first one the answer is minus, that means plus half, and this is 1, and 2 zeros already given. Then the here is 4, that makes the polynomials having 4 roots. Then one root is root 2, another root is minus root 2, this also given. I find, and you also will find, the another roots are half and 1. This is the process when the 4 polynomials are given, the power is 4, by quadratic polynomial, then the roots will find just like this. This is the polynomial chapter in class 10 standard. There is nothing to do. The polynomial is already completed now. You just practice in your home, more and more practice in your home. Then polynomial chapter you just complete. Okay. Now that's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and comments in the comment section. Please press the bell icon. Okay. Now that's all.